What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, you could like, share, or comment down below. It helps our content reach a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, I wanted to share another financial resource, especially for small businesses looking for business financing. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing ARF Financial. So over the past 20 years, ARF Financial has helped small businesses obtain over $850 million in credit funding. ARF Financial works with a variety of bank partners to provide business term loans, business lines of credit, equipment financing, as well as other flexible business financing solutions. You can get a business loan or a line of credit all the way up to $450,000. There's absolutely no hard pull in order to get an offer, but if you do decide to go forward with an offer, it will be a hard pull. They work with different bank partners to help you get the best offer. ARF Financial is similar to National Business Capital, maybe not as large as National Business Capital, but essentially their business models are similar. They work with different lenders and help you find the best solution that fits your data points and your business needs. Now, ARF does have a priority list when it comes to the types of businesses that they're looking to extend capital to. So I would say they're more focused on restaurants, brick and mortar, hair salons. We'll go over the complete list of approved businesses, but they also have an expanded portfolio of businesses that they will lend to, and there's different requirements for those types of businesses. At a minimum, you're going to need to be in business for 12 months. Have at least $100,000 in annual gross revenue, and a FICO credit score of at least a 561, and this is going to be on Equifax. So those are the minimum requirements in order to apply for a loan product through ARF. Aside from meeting the minimum requirements, you're also going to need to be within their approved list of businesses, because this isn't going to be open to every type of business. So if you're in real estate, you're flipping houses, you're doing Airbnbs, or you're doing e-commerce, then this isn't going to be the lender for you. Anyways, let's jump over to their website and I'll walk you through their different products and services. All right, so here we are on arffinancial.com. So here we have the pre-qualification setup. It takes about 10 minutes to complete the application. It's just a soft pull. There's no impact to your credit score, and you can choose from a loan or business line of credit from a minimum of $5,000 all the way up to $450,000. There's no collateral requirement, terms as long as 24 months, and there's no requirement for tax returns or financial statements. Now, after completing the full application and submitting your documents, you can get funded in as little as 3 days. Now, in terms of the information that you have to submit through the pre-qualification, so some basic information: how long have you been in business, your total annual sales, cash and credit card sales, and your desired loan amount. Then a little bit of information about your business, so your EIN, so your federal tax ID, your entity type, so whatever industry that your business is in, and the date of operation, so when you first began your business. Next up, there's some owner information: your home address, phone number, driver's license. And then step 4, you're going to be connecting your bank information. So instead of sending in bank statements, they can check all of that and verify your banking activity. After submitting bank information, you can submit your quote request to receive your estimated loan amount, your payment, and your line of credit availability, and it's that simple. So here's some highlights of their business loans. So again, minimum $5,000 all the way up to $450,000. No collateral is required. Funding in as little as 3 to 5 business days. Terms from 12 to 24 months. Very minimum documentation. They do have interest-only options where you could defer 100% of the principal. They have early payoff options as well. All of the loans come with a no-fee line of credit, and so you can access 5 separate loan draws over a 6-month period. So one of the benefits to that is that, let's say you're not going to use the entire loan, you could take separate loan drafts, and so you're not going to be paying interest on the full amount. Repayment is not tied to your credit card transactions, and the interest that you're going to be paying on the loan is tax deductible. So that's another great benefit. Now, as I said earlier, there is a preference in terms of the types of industries they're looking to lend to. So some of those preferences include fast food restaurants and drive-thrus, pizza delivery, takeout restaurants, sub shops, quick service restaurants, coffee donut donut ice cream shops, liquor stores, grocery stores, pharmacies, barber, hair salon, auto repair, car washes, dry cleaners, bookstores, gift stores, electronic stores, commercial cleaning services, ethnic grocery stores, family doctors, home health care, veterinarians, chiropractors, pet stores. So you kind of get the gist. And then they also have an expanded portfolio. So there's going to be some different underwriting guidelines with the preferred industries type and then the expanded portfolio. So you have accountants, you have alternative energy production and services, auto parts, broadcast, radio, TV, communications, computer software, medical equipment supply, nursing homes, professional sports, wholesale, trash collection, waste management, manufacturing. So in terms of the underwriting, so for the preferred industries, a minimum Equifax score of a 551, a minimum 12 months time in business with the same ownership, minimum monthly revenue of $10,000, loan amounts up to $450,000 for a single entity and $675 for multiple entities. There's a fixed repayment term from 12 to 24 months. Now, in terms of the expanded portfolio, they're going to be subject to a slightly higher underwriting guideline. Now, a minimum Equifax credit score of a 601, minimum 24 months in business with the same ownership. So you will have to be in business at least 2 years with the expanded portfolio, and then a minimum monthly revenue of $17,000. Same in terms of loan amounts and the fixed repayment terms. All right, so let's go over to unsecured business line of credit. So a business line of credit is actually one of the best types of financial products, in my opinion, because it just gives business owners a lot of flexibility. Let's say an opportunity presents itself, just having an unsecured line of credit on the business side is definitely beneficial. Loan amounts up to $450,000 with no collateral, low documentation, streamlined process. You can get instant approvals online and funding in as little as 3 days. Less than perfect credit is not a barrier. And again, the interest that you are paying is tax deductible. All right, so the other product I wanted to go over is their new COVID-proof financing. So this is an interest-only flex pay loan. So the way it works is that for the first 5 months, it's interest only. And then at the end of it, they give you an option to pay off the principal, but they have a built-in 60-week rollover amortization. So this just gives you a lot more flexibility. If you're unable to pay off the principal in full, you can roll it over for 60 weeks. Some of the unique features and benefits, again, loan amounts up to $450, up to 5 months of interest-only payments, rates starting at 10%, a built-in 60-week rollover safety net, and a 90-day COVID-19 guarantee. All right, so let's recap ARF Financial. So they help businesses obtain capital, minimum of $5,000 all the way up to $450,000. Now you can get a soft pull offer. They're going to be soft pulling Equifax. If you do decide to move forward with an offer, then it will be a hard pull. Now, in terms of the other requirements, you do have to be at least 1 year in business, a minimum of $100,000 gross annual revenue, and a credit score of at least 561. That's the bare minimum, but that doesn't guarantee that you're going to get approved. Other criteria may apply. Now, when it comes to the types of businesses that ARF is targeting for funding, they're looking for more brick and mortar types of establishments, restaurants, hair salons, barbershops, grocery stores, manufacturing, dry cleaners. We went over the list of all the approved businesses, but if you're in real estate or Airbnb or Turo, anything like that, then this isn't going to be for you. ARF Financial is more so looking for businesses that are producing a product or service and have a physical location. The funding process takes as little as 3 days after you submit your application to get access to your capital. If anyone's interested in applying, I've posted a link in the description of the video. That's all I wanted to share in today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And until next time, y'all take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.